But it's a really nice day. Oh, Maddie.
It's Monday, April the 19th, 2021. And this is the day after the big garden install for this year. We got 32 of our 42 beds planted. Here's Nathan. Say hey guys.
Hi guys.
Thanks for watching my channel. We've got 32 of our 42 beds planted. Every year, you know, we do crop rotations, try to put a different plant in a different area. So up here, we've got our peppers, we got jalapenos. These Hungarian wax, they look like a banana pepper, but they seem to be a little bit higher on the Scoville scale. Mr. Steve turned it off.
Why?
We didn't need it on overnight. And then another Hungarian wax. Then we got a green bell and a green bell pepper. These are green bell peppers. We got some different, a little different this year. We've been doing basil every year, and then we did some sage. This rosemary is always ridiculous. And then we did some dill, Hopefully be able to make some dill cucumbers with it. And over here, we hadn't planted yet. We're going to plant watermelon. We'll do 2 watermelon. We'll do 4 cantaloupe. We'll see how they do. Last year we had them over here, and it vined up, covered the whole area. So I'm guessing this is what will happen here. A new idea on the cucumbers. So we're hoping this will take a little bit better. So we got all this planted. Yep. So we got all 6 cucumbers planted. We don't rotate where we put these because they're pretty much stuck to this bed. But maybe if we build some more beds across the way, we can rotate where we put our cucumbers. We do rotate the dirt a lot, so I'm not worried about soil depletion, and we fertilize it before each planting. Got okra through here on the corners. Our garlic will be another month and a half. First a week of June, we'll pull those up in the 4 middle, and then we'll do sweet potatoes here. Blueberries. I'm always amazed how these have been doing. Just covered in blooms, little baby blueberries. Moved the tomatoes down here. These cages worked out really well for us last year. So got 2 seasons out of it. It's pretty heavy duty. Got a tomato in each of those. We got 25 tomatoes. The corn in each of the 4 corners here. 2 years ago, did great with corn. Last year, we did terrible with corn. So maybe it's an every other year thing. We need another blueberry plant right there. This is a new addition. Put in a little flower bed. We put mammoth sunflowers in the back row. They'll be up to 12 feet. Then did a variety of 4 foot to 6 foot variety in the front. So we'll have little staggered things here. Our lavender all died, so I replaced those this year. So those got really big into last year, so maybe they'll come back the same way. Nice colorful corner. And then the last set are squashes. I think we put zucchini, we put squash here, and these 3. We put them up in these hills, and we do 3 per. So there's 24 seeds planted here, 24 and 24, so that's 72. We put green beans here in the middle, and this one, and right here. We do 9 per square foot, and we got those grids that we put out, so we get 9 green beans in here. And then our zucchini, 72 of those. So we got 42 total beds. We got 32 planted, and still waiting on these 6 plus those 4. And that is our garden installation for 2021. We always have stuff in the ground, but we always try to make a big deal of our spring planting, because that's when everything goes in pretty much, and then we'll start replacing after things get harvested and need replacing. All right.